How to change app icons on iPhone. To change app icons on iPhone, follow these steps. To change app icons, firstly, you will need to download an application called Shortcuts. Open App Store on your device and search for the Shortcuts application. Now install this application and go back. Search for this application and open it on your device. After that, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Now here, select the option Open App. And now a menu like this will appear. Scroll down and select the Instagram app, or you can just search for it in the search bar. Now tap on the Open App option at the very top. Now again a menu like this will appear. Click on the option Rename and rename it to Instagram. Now go back and open any of your preferred web browser. Type in Instagram icon or select any icon that you want to replace it with. Make sure that the icon photo is in PNG. Now again go back to your shortcut application. Now in the shortcut, click on the eye icon at the bottom panel. Now select the first option, Add to Home Screen. Now here you will see two icons. Select the photo icon. Now select the option Choose Photo. After that, your gallery will open. Select the Instagram icon that you want to replace it with. Now you can crop it if you want and click on Save. Now click on Add at the top right corner and your icon will be replaced. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.